Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. L with Musfir. A new here? You might change how you speak English forever. Ever wondered, why can't I sound fluent? Or, what should I say? Today, we'll explore modal verbs. Words like can, should, must, and might can transform your sentences. You can master them in just minutes. By the end, you will use modal verbs like a native speaker. It's easier than you think. Modal verbs express ability, possibility, necessity, permission, or obligation. They're followed by the base form of the main verb. Small diamond. Common modal verbs: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, need to, dare. Small diamond uses and examples. Modal verb function. Example: can. Ability, permission. She can swim. Can I go out? Could. Past ability, polite request. He could read at 4. Could you help me? May. Permission, possibility. May I leave? It may rain. Might. Weak possibility. She might be late. Shall. Suggestion, future. Shall we dance? I shall return. Should. Advice, expectation. You should see a doctor. Will. Future. Willingness. I will call you. She will help. Would. Polite request. Hypothetical. Would you like tea? I would go if I could. Must. Strong obligation. Deduction. You must wear a seatbelt. She must be tired.